What is going on, guys, gals, aliens, and degen freaks? Welcome to Dano Crypto. Hopefully everything is working okay. We don't have a lag or anything like that. I've been pushing the computer to the limits here. Hopefully we're good. We might have to restart OBS and then we'll see. Let me know if everything is looking good, sounding good. On this channel, we show you how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. And if you're new, if you are just getting into crypto, if you're a novice, if you're intermediate, if you're an expert, we got a little bit of everything for you here on this channel. So, all right, cool. Dank Traders says it sounds good. It sounds good and it looks good. All right. So shout out to all the people who are in the live stream. Thank you so much for all the viewers. I do appreciate it. We had all-time high record views on the stream this afternoon. We had, we stream live every day at 11:30. What's going on? Shout out to Sunshine Girl. Hope she's doing well. All right, so Manta Network. So we haven't dived in too much on the Manta Network. We know of it. You know, Ivan on Tech was talking about Manta Network. We could get into it. We're going to get into the meme coins. We're going to get into why I think Brett is going to be the obvious outlier, and Dogecoin is going to do very well. I want to tell you guys what we did to get back into our trades. What we did is we saw the breakdown and we said, look, we're going to break down probably to the 68.4 level, and we did exactly that. So we actually dipped right past the Bollinger Band swoop down here. We saw it and we were calling it live. We were able to short a little bit of our positions down to those levels, and then we re-entered back into the market with a little bit more BTC margin. Would have been nice to take the profit and exit out of the trade when we were literally up here. That would have been nice, because we were actually up a good 150, 160 bucks on the BTC. Able to get that probably and ride it back down, but it is what it is. It is what it is. We're still in profit though, so looking like Doge just had a little rejection. We just actually had a really nice pump, but then we looked like we got a decent 1% candle move down. So what just happened? Because we were looking good. We were looking good, but we're still in profits on these trades. We went back in on Pepe and Doge. We obviously have our BTC trade still open. So this is what we're working with as of now. And then we've been DCAing into, we've been buying spot buys of Brett. We've been buying Me Token. We be buying Swiss cheese. I'll show you guys. Swiss cheese is tokenized stock, super low cap, 14 million market cap, and it's on the Polygon network, and it is a platform that is, this is a narrative, guys, that you want to keep on the radar, is the tokenized stocks and tokenized assets. So we'll see if this website will load proper. Let's see what happens. As of right now, it's not loading. Yeah, tokenized real world assets. So this is what Swiss cheese I found last year searching through Morales Money, and I was noticing that Swiss cheese was popping up on the buy list. All right, so we might have to use a different browser for this to pop up. I don't know why this isn't popping up. Let's check this out. Sorry, guys. I don't know why this is not working. Possible. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Is that what's happening tomorrow? We're getting all that data. Okay, for some reason, this SwissCheese.finance, the website is not working. Well, I don't like that. But I will show you that at least the the price itself has been super bullish. I mean, we got to push up to 97 cents, and then we're retesting those levels. So yeah, just keep. This is just one of the tokens that I have found that's in that narrative of the tokenized real world assets. So, and because of the fact that it was on. It had some buy pressure and experienced buyers last year. Maybe they were, knowing and had the crystal ball that was going to be one of the narratives. Shout out to the Twitch people. Shout out to the Twitch watchers. They have been coming out of the woodwork. All right, yeah, so let's check out this CME Gap. Yeah, Sunshine Girl is reminding me of the CME Gap. So the CME Gap is indeed between 68,000 and 69,000. Is that the one you're talking about? 68.1? Yeah, right there. Starts at 68.1, perfect gap. And let's put a, where is... little rectangle. I always just like putting a little gap here, and then that's where we can signify where the gap is on the chart. And well, it looks like we already went into the gap. So I mean, we already, I don't know if we're filling the gap, but I guess we at least tested into it. So now the question is, this is the level that. This is the, welcome from, and then, so, yeah, and MySpace. And what's funny is that you can still go on MySpace. You can still go on MySpace. Oh, my God. I wonder if I typed in MySpace right now. Let's see. MySpace. MySpace.com. Yeah. You could still go on MySpace. Wow. But it's having a really hard time loading. Man, MySpace was awesome though. Like if you were like an OG MySpace user, it was so much fun because I used it a lot like for my music and my bands, and it was like if you had a band, like you had to have a MySpace, and it like there was a whole niche of having a really awesome MySpace website, because you could go in and code it, you could HTML it, you could Flash, you could do all this stuff. Basically, it was a free, hosting website for free coding. I mean, you could just like launch all these different services off of there. It was super cool. And then once it got bought by, CNBC or NBC or whoever bought it, I think that's who bought it, then it just went downhill. And then it started to have advertisements everywhere. But man, I just remember when bands like would drop early releases, early songs on MySpace, on their MySpace player. That was way back. All right, so guys, Metis is starting to. We've talked about Metis. We've made a video on Metis. We're pretty bullish on Metis. We bought a few Metis. We have. Metis under 300 bucks. I mean, Metis all-time high was, and if you're not familiar with Metis, it's a layer 2 that has a pretty substantial ecosystem. A recent all-time high was 156, so it was really trying to push up into where it was potentially in the previous bull market, or not even previous bull market, but 2022, so even in the bear market. So you can see here, massive, accumulation mode could have been right here, but then look, we test back up into these levels, then we could be seeing price ranges in these areas coming up, right in here. So that would be nice. That would be nice. I would like that. So you can do a lot with Metis. You can stake it. You can earn yield. You can use it as the swap, it's used for gas in the ecosystem. So if you want to use the DEXs, you're using Metis. There is NFTs. There's some cool stuff with Metis. So just another layer 2 if you guys haven't checked it out, Metis. So what's happening with Bitcoin right now? Let's check it out. Let's actually look at the overall market. Excuse me. I tried to mute that and I muted the wrong one. I probably turned my sneeze up louder. All right, so on the on the 5 minute, it's looking bullish for altcoins. Toncoin, I'm about to just get into Toncoin. I'm tired of seeing Toncoin do so well. I've been looking at it this entire time and thinking, should I get into Toncoin? Well, now it's just yes. The answer is yes. It's time to get into Toncoin. I think I'm gonna spot buy it, but also leverage into it. It has just been pumping though. It's been pumping super hard. 38%. 38% on the 4 hour. On the daily, we got, you know, 30% move. But it's just looking super bullish. But it has pumped a lot. I mean, it's been steady. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 green candles on the weekly. But it still has volume. The thing is maybe people know that Toncoin is going to start really accumulating users, the chain, the usability, the volume. If you look at DeFi Llama, let's go to DeFi Llama. We have it all set. We had it set. DeFi Llama. Now, guys, if you haven't done so, please hit the like button. And, you know, 60 to 70% of the people that watch this channel and have watched my content have not subscribed. So it'd be cool if you subscribed. And if you hit the like button, you know, YouTube will do its thing. Smilek, a meme coin from Solana Network that is going up tremendously. We'll check it out. Smilek. We'll check anything out. You know, we'll vet it first, and then we'll see if the chart looks bullish. I'm almost setting a new rule now. You know, you can't show me anything unless it has a 10 million market cap or more. So then we can at least, like, you know. All right, so total value locked in the day on chains. Let's see, on chains. It's going to be Ton. Look at this. I knew it. I knew looking at this Ton. Look at this, 42% with total value locked. So Toncoin is super bullish right now. Super bullish. Sorry, guys. I'm all sniffy. I got my nose got all itchy. All right, so yeah, we might take some profits. Take a little bit. We might take a little bit off of this BTC, just a little bit, and go into Toncoin. Even though we've had such a bullish movement up, I mean, there's been a lot of volume going into Toncoin, and it could be something worth looking at. It's literally in the top 10 now. I don't know if any of you guys would have expected that, but look, we do have 35% of a 24-hour volume increase. No. If that was it, no. All right, Toncoin. Yep, Toncoin. Toncoin. Look at this volume. 247 million on Tidex, OKX, Bybit. XYO was just recently at a conference and was chatting up with the new CEO of Binance. I don't know about you guys, but that to me is super bullish. And I'm not sure, but we should check and see if XYO is already trading on Binance. So ICP is really interesting because it's kind of almost like any price from now on till any price is price discovery, because it launched at such a high valuation of over $1,000 and then it quickly crashed down. So basically, if you invest in ICP, I think as long as there's volume and they're building and they're launching something and there's users actually using it and there's transactions and all that stuff, then the price action will speak for itself and will probably end up going over $50, maybe $100, but then it also depends on the supply of the coin. All those things. If they're burning it, you know, I don't know what the proof mechanism is. All right, so let's see. I don't think it's on Binance, but that would be crazy if they listed on Binance. That would be a big announcement, because they're on, like, if you think in terms of the biggest volume, Coinbase, that's what I buy it on. Then you got Qcoin. Volume's not too big, but then it says crypto.com exchange, but a lot of the times when I pull it up on the crypto.com exchange, it does not show up for me, but it used to be on crypto.com. And guys, if you want to use crypto.com using my link, if you haven't used crypto.com, I do have a link in the description. You got to check it out. Link in the description for crypto.com. And I have not had a single person sign up for that referral link. So I mean, that would be pretty cool. And I have not had a single. It'd be pretty cool. Here it is, guys. It's right here. Crypto.com. It's looking like. Well, see, the thing that I'm looking at with Bitcoin is to break again that 69.7 area where we just came from. So we already tested up past 69.1, but we are right now currently we are breaking down. My guess was that we were going to break, if we break this, then we could be pushing up easy with support. Because we did test it. I think we tested low enough. I think this was a low enough test. I don't think we're going lower than 68, what we did right here. Unless you want to be real conservative and say this might be a giant head and shoulders pattern and say, like, here you go, there's the head, and then we're just gonna go like right down to here, and then this would be the level to watch is 67, like 67.6 or something like that. And that would be the most bearish case of it repeating a pattern of it, coming up, testing this level, and then going back down, because then that's another rejection level right here at 70,003. So Yeah, it was on Bybit. Yeah, let's look at the Bybit chart. So Sunshine Girl saying on Bybit, do we have the Bybit chart? So we have the Coinbase, we got Bitstamp. Okay, where is the other Bitcoin chart? No, we had this one. This is Binance. Let's see what Binance did. Yeah, Binance went as high as 69.4. On the Go Crypto, yo, what's going on? Shout out to On the Go Crypto. Tell us about some Solana stuff. I know you're into the Solana coins. What are you looking at right now? Yeah, and since we were talking about ICP, so let's talk about ICP. I think, yeah, that I was looking at ICP that it was on a trend. It does on the Go Crypto. BTC definitely needs to move. It definitely needs to move. It needs to break. It needs to break this level right here. Let's look at the futures chart. Could test and then just go back in into the gap and then be possible that we take the lows a little bit more. It's very well possible. But if we get fully supported off that 69.7, then yeah, that is then we have a chance. Then we have a chance. All right, so ICP, this is what I was analyzing, was just like, man, ICP just, it was way up here. You know, you look at it and look at this wick. This is on Binance, apparently $2,849, and then it wicked all the way. Like if we look at the wick, the low was 291, the high was 341. Okay, so I don't know what was going on with that. And then here you go. So this is why I think like any of these prices right here would just be going into price discovery, because it wasn't even there that long, and it's just been here for a long time, just in these ranges. So that's why ICP could just be a good long-term hold and just something that you could DCA into, you know? But right now, looks like we're forming, there's been all these pennants that are forming where we're getting a pump, consolidation into a flag, and then a move to the upside. That was apparently, yeah, so, you know, if you were kind of following the news and the influencers, a lot of them were saying, hey, you know, this coin is was highly manipulated by, you know, FTX. They had a huge, like, institutional stake on it. So for them, it kind of just, it launched super high so they would be able to sell, and then it dumped the token. This could look good in terms of, you know, it bottoming out here. to see, because the RSI, you know, where we were breaking out was right here, and it is currently at the same spot. So this chart actually looks good. ICP looks good. I think 21 bucks. 21 bucks would be the target, the obvious target, or at least around in the top of these ranges right here. Yeah, do we want to get into an ICP trade? We might. Yeah, ICP and TON. Oh, thanks, bro. Yeah, it was this one came out great, and I was like, oh, this is cool. So I just went with it. It feels like I'm really in a brick background. Today's an unlock of staked ICP, so there's some bearishness and FUD, but I'm long. Okay. Interesting, yeah. So we could, yeah, let's check and see what coins are actually unlocking right now. Let's see what pops up. So let's see, because that's still very recent. All right, so 17 projects ready to unlock over 1.3 billion worth of crypto in April. All right, so let's see. Oh, this is a good list. All right, received a membership gift. Oh, Brucey, thank you. Awesome, love it. So we have now we have 3 official members, or 3 or 4 members. Make sure you post your Pepe your Pepe emoji. So okay, so these are the token unlocks in April. We got DYDX, Zeta, Sui, Gala Games, Aptos, Cyber, STRK. Is that STRK? Is that that sounds so familiar. We got ARB, ARB, Ape, Axe Infinity, Immutable X, Pixel, ID, YGG is a Guild Games, AIGX, and Optimism, and then we have Prime. So, according to the token unlocks, large valued unlocks, value greater than 10 million in April, including DYDX and all these that we just said. So, let's go to Root Blockchain. We'll follow them. Get the alerts, then we can see what other things. Okay, so Coinbase Assets has announced that it will be adding support for Shadow token on the Solana network. If liquidity conditions are met, trading will begin on April 10th. So it is the 9th, approximately at 12. Shadow token. All right. Oh, what? Okay, so let's check out Shadow token on Coinbase. Shadow token. Is this Solana? Okay, so this is $2 right now. 320 million market cap. The volume right now up 260%. Just listed on Coinbase Pro. This is on Solana. And this is a storage network. Utility token that powers the Shadow DePIN ecosystem, providing decentralized storage, compute, and network orchestration to its users. Okay, this is cool. All right, so yeah, we gotta pin this. Coinbase announced it will list new altcoin Shadow. All right, maybe. All right, we got to get into this now. Coinbase is gonna list it. $2, pretty cheap. I mean, pretty cheap in the. Let's see, we got total supply. Total supply 169 million Shadow, and the max supply is 200 million. So we got pretty much almost the whole supply out, with about a quarter still. Yeah, look at that. The volume is great. So what is it trading on right now already? See if there's anything we recognize. It's only just on these 8 exchanges. So Gate.io, it's on CoinX. And then, okay, so the volume on Jupiter is amazing. All right, so let's do this. Yeah. I mean, this thing is pumped though, but look, I mean, you can see it's super bullish. You can see the uptrend. It's really pushing. I like this. This is looking cool. All right, guys, Shadow token. If you haven't heard it, you heard it first on Dano Crypto. The market cap is 320 million. But you can see it's pushing some good volume on the DEX, on Orca and on Jupiter. Radium not so much, but these two right here, it's pushing good volume. Oh, we getting some bear. Is it getting bearish? Oh, yep, we're getting bearish. Just a little bit. Yeah, we could actually be going into the gap here. Or going back to 6. If we're trying to push back 67, 8, it was the level that we were like, okay, this could be as low as we could go, is that 67, 8. It would make sense. It's not something that we want to see, but if that's what's happening, that's what's happening. And that's going to make these trades definitely, it's going to make these altcoins react accordingly. Which makes us want to possibly just get out of these trades right now, because then we can just see. Let's check Brett. I want to say Brett is up in the 215 spot, 677 market cap. This thing is going to go to $1 billion. If this thing goes to $1 billion market cap, I'm wondering what we'd have to do the math and see what the price would be at $1 billion market cap. Circulating supply. Oh, where did it go? It's just on it. You said the baby market cap memes can even increase in volume as BTC dumps. Oh yeah. I've seen that. Sometimes it's pretty crazy, like what can actually be increasing also as BTC is dipping. So I'm curious, what are you seeing right now that is increasing? Because then we can scope it, because let's see right now. So let's just go all chains, DEX screener. And let's see. This candle cat is still pushing the most volume right now. Yeah, candle cat's looking bullish. We did buy some candle cat. And then we have Shark Cat, Michi, we have Degen. Degen's been doing really well. I'm gonna push up to 6 cents. Yeah. I did. I bought some candle cat. I did. I bought just a little bit. I'm gonna buy a little more. I think I was gonna put. I need to actually put like at least like a half a soul or 1 soul into it. Because the chart actually looks good. The chart looks good. And there's a lot of volume coming into it. I didn't go to the Twitter yet. Very small following. Are there really that many holders? 362,000? Huh. Oh, no, this is not. Oh, no, this is Rap Soul. I was like, this is not the right one. I'm like, where's the... Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Yeah, if it's new, a lot of the times I feel like I stay away with anything that's under a million, but maybe I should start tossing in some things that are a little more degen. And then just set the slippage high, use Jupiter or Meteor or something like that, a good aggregator. Yeah, we'll test that. We'll test that. So this token, this cat we've had, this was I think airdropped, and I don't know if I trust it because it was airdropped with so many addresses. It says an SPL transfer, so I'm curious. You would know this, Heaven Peck. Did you get cat with hat deposited into your Phantom wallet? And is this a legit token? Oh no, I actually I was getting super degen with things like Bencoin and, you know, back last year. So I don't mind getting into the dirty red light district that can increase the portfolio. No doubt about it. We definitely want to fast track, that's for sure. But we also want to play it safe, so for sure. All right, so it might be time to start closing these trades because Bitcoin could actually be pushing into these lows again. I think it might be a fake airdrop because it got airdropped to so many people. So I don't want to interact with this one for sure. That would be not good. So we got Jupiter. And I'm curious about, they got this LFG introductions, got the research forum, launchpad projects. Okay, so we got Zeus Network. Claims Zeus airdrop 3% of the total supply would be distributed to Jupe voters. No allocation. Ooh. All right, so Zeus. Right now, Zeus is at 87, so you can, all right, so this is also a launchpad project on Solana right now. Zeus Network. And what else we got? We have Sharky is coming soon. And then we have Win. Space Cadets. Let's see. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, that's the Win cat. Okay. Yeah, we got that. Okay, so yeah, so you could do Win, but let's check on Win on the deck screener. Ooh, see, that looks good. Like that. Trading up in a channel there. $147,000 followers. All right, guys, this was going to be a short one. Yeah, 9:18. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and end it. I really do appreciate you guys popping into the live stream. Yeah, in the Disco, Heaven Peck, I'm going to make a... what I'm going to do, Heaven Peck, is make a Heaven Peck... cat whiff. Okay. Cat with hat, that's the correct one. All right, yeah, we'll have to check that one. We'll have to check that one. But all right, guys. Yeah, the price action, it's getting spicy. It's getting a little spicy. We'll see what happens. It's getting a little spicy, but thank you to all the people, all the new subscribers. Thank you for coming in the live stream. I do appreciate it. Just hit the like button on your way out. And yeah. So awesome that we passed 2K subscribers. It's amazing. If you're on your TV, hit the do the cheat code up, right, select. That's the cheat code. Yeah, we'll have to. Oh, really? All right, so Heaven Peck, this, you know what we're going to do is we're going to make a custom section for you in the Discord, and it's going to say the Heaven Peck Degent Red Light District for Solana. And we can make it a custom section. It'll be fun. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And God bless every single one of you. And whoever you are, wherever you're watching, I hope you have a good rest of the day. All right. Peace.